Namaste, Priyanka from Hubli branch. Today I wanted to show you how to make the cauliflower gobi in LG micron. Okay, let's see the ingredients. Here I took some cauliflower. I had washed it 2 to 3 times. Okay, of 400 to 500 gram cauliflower, and I took salt, chili powder, and onion, chili. Then I took some color, food color, and soya sauce, red chili sauce, and next then I'm putting some gobi masala like kebab masala, kebab 65 masala. Then I'm putting ginger garlic paste, 1 to 2 spoon of oil I'm adding, and I had mixed here maida and corn flour atta to mix the cauliflower. Okay, just I'll mix it, and we have to keep half an hour to 1 hour to marinate totally all the ingredients. Okay, now I'll be adding all the ingredients to the cauliflower. I'm adding some chili powder, next salt, next chili, green chili, onion, kebab masala, then garlic paste, and food color to get the color. Okay, then this is soya sauce. I'm adding 2 spoon, will get nice flavor. And adding some red chili sauce, it becomes so much spicy. Okay, 2 spoon, and next I'll be putting corn flour and maida to mix totally, and 2 spoon of oil I'll be applying like this. Lastly, I'll be adding the corn flour here. I'll be adding corn flour. This is the Wi-Fi model micro oven. This is the Wi-Fi model micro oven, which we can do the scan to cook. Main feature is scan to cook. We can keep frozen items like ITC product, which had added only 5 products has been added to the LG micro oven. Okay, got tie up. Yes. After 1 hour, see everything got marinated. So I am adding to the multi-cook pan. Okay. We have to spread everywhere. Means we'll get all the flavors, taste will come, everything. Yes, totally has been put in the multi-cook pan, and I'll keep in the high grill rack. Okay, on this. Yes, I'm going to the auto cook menu in the LG 401. Auto cook menu will be inbuilt in. Just I'm showing, I'm giving the charcoal taste to get the cauliflower 65 or the cauliflower gobi manchuri like this. We have to select the charcoal, and one is correct, right? Then 1 is to 4 is charcoal for gobi. Okay. Then I'll give the start. Then it says that how much it is weight, as a 0.3 kg or 0.4 or 0.5. Mine is 0.4. I'm taking 400 grams, so I'm keeping in a 0.4. Okay.
Anna, happy.
Okay, after keeping inside the gobi, I'm selecting 0.4 grams, that means 400 grams. Then as it gives the start, we'll get 15 minutes 20 seconds. Now the time has been started and automatic temperature will be set. By using the auto cook menu, everyone get the same taste of charcoal. Okay, even you can do in the manual section. 15 minutes 20 seconds.
Yeah.
By doing the manually, we can go for micro for 900 for 3 minutes, and 20 minutes in a grill section, 10 minutes one time and 10 minutes one time. That's a manual section. I did the auto cook menu, 401 auto cook menu. Okay, in that once we kept the time and temperature total, it will be set, and once we'll get the beep sound. After getting the beep sound, once we have to rotate them up from up and down, and put some oil, and you should keep it. Yes. Now we'll get the display as a end, and get some beep sound. Gobi manchurian. See, you have got the crunchy and crispiness of the cauliflower. The video. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any doubt, please comment in the comment box. Thank you.